Guys, check out this Frost Buddy can cooler they sent me to review. These things are so cool. They call it the 10-in-1 drink cooler. You can see there. Get you a little swag with it too. This is the Golf Edition. Nice dimpled golf ball feel here. But I got all these cans. I don't have any bottles in the house, so I can't show you that. But let's just show you these quick. Boom. Boom. Oh, here, gotta take this out. Boom. Boom, pounder. Boom. Boom, bubbler. Every single one. Tightens down tight. Stays cold forever. This thing is sick. I wish I had some bottles to show you, but again, Frost Buddy 10-in-1 Koozie. Go get one.